If you're a foodie aiming for a healthier lifestyle, then Besan Kadhi is your next must-try dish. Welcome, culinary adventurers, to another episode of Taste Paired with Health. Today we spotlight Besan Kadhi, a dish where simplicity meets wellness. At the heart of Besan Kadhi is gram flour, or besan, loaded with high-quality plant-based protein. Perfect for vegetarians and vegans seeking to up their protein game. But that's not all. This dish is seasoned with turmeric and asafoetida, spices that don't just add flavor, they promote digestion and combat inflammation, making every bite beneficial. What's more, besan is low on the glycemic index, so it's great for anyone watching their blood sugar levels. And there's a micronutrient fest here too. With essentials like folate and magnesium, Besan Kadhi supports everything from your nerves to your cells. Don't forget the yogurt, a creamy addition that brings calcium, protein, and a probiotic boost, enhancing gut health and immunity. Fancy a twist? Toss in some veggies like spinach or bell peppers for an extra nutrient punch. So next time you relish a bowl of Besan Kadhi, remember, it's more than just tasty. It's a treasure trove of health benefits. Dive into this superfood saga and nourish your body with every delicious spoonful.